हेलो हेलो बच्चों। टुडे our topic is inside the system unit. Topics covered: system unit, components inside the system unit, motherboard, CPU, RAM, disk drive, power supply and ports. Hi friend, have you ever seen inside the big box kept near the monitor? Let's study what this box contains. First, we study system unit. System unit is a box-like case that stands near the monitor. Some system units are also placed under the monitor. System unit is the most important part of computer system. It protects the internal electronic components from damage. It is also called computer case. Look here is the system unit. This is okay. The electronic components and most of the storage devices of a computer reside inside the system unit. Other devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. normally occupy space outside the system unit. Understood? This is system unit. Next is components inside the system unit. How many components? It is include motherboard, CPU, RAM, drive and power supply. Here is motherboard. Look here. This is motherboard. This chip like this. This is motherboard. A motherboard is a large circuit board inside the system unit. It is also known as system board or main board. It contains many different types of chips. Among these chips, the most important one is the microprocessor, also called the processor or central processing unit, CPU. Understood? Next is CPU. Here is CPU. It is also like a chip. Understood? This is CPU. Just like your brain controls every part of your body, the computer also has a brain which controls every part of a computer. That brain of computer is the called central processing unit, CPU. CPU also called processor or microprocessor. Okay, this one is CPU. The main function of CPU is to control the functions performed by the other components of computer. As it is the central processing unit, everything to be processed pass through it. CPU is used to process instruction, perform calculation and manage most of the operation. It carries out of the basic instruction operated by the computer. All devices that are connected to the computer first communicate with the CPU in order to carry out a task. Part of CPU, there is two parts. Here is control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Two parts is here. Control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Understood? CPU contains the following parts: control unit, arithmetic unit. Control unit called CU or arithmetic and logic unit ALU. These two components work together to perform different processing operations. Here are the operations. You can understood nicely by this. It is central processing unit, control unit, and this is arithmetic logic unit, and this is backing store. This is input and this is output. Understood? And central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic unit, same thing is here. Here is input, data input, mouse, keyboard, that is the input devices, and here is the output, monitor, printer, etc. Control unit, data flow, memory unit. Understood? Nicely you can understand by this diagram. One more thing, these two components work together to perform different processing operations. Update the knowledge. In 1970, Dr. Ted Hoff of Intel Corporation developed a microprocessor or microprogrammable computer chip, the Intel 4004. डॉक्टर टेड हॉफ ने 1917 में एक कंप्यूटर चिप उन्होंने डेवलप किया, उसका नाम था इंटेल 4004. दिस इज दैट. नो द फैक्ट, द IBM पर्सनल कंप्यूटर कंटेन द फर्स्ट मदरबोर्ड विच वाज referred to as the breadboard and was released in 1981. Control unit CU. It is a part of CPU which directs and coordinates of the operation and instruction in the computer. Arithmetic and logic unit ALU. It is another part of CPU which perform arithmetical operation, comparison operation and logical operation. Arithmetic operation include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Comparison operation involve comparing one data with another. Example, greater than, equal to, less than or not equal to. Logical operation use conditions such as and or not. Speed of computer. The speed of a computer measured in megahertz and gigahertz. The faster of speed of CPU chip, the faster of the computer can operate. The speed of computer is increasing day by day. RAM, random access memory. It is RAM. Look here. It is RAM. RAM is a memory device attached to motherboard. When a program is started, it is first loaded in the RAM. RAM is also called primary memory or main memory. Disk drives. Disk drive are used to holding or storing data, instruction and information for future use. Hard disk drive, CD-ROM, DVD drive, Blu-ray device. One are the disk drive located inside the system unit. Hard disk drive. The hard disk drive is used to store data information for future use. Most computers have one hard disk located inside the system unit. This is self evaluation. इसमें आपको देखना है कि आप क्या क्या जानते हो. I know that system unit is a box that stand near the monitor. I know the CPU is the brain of computer. I know that the control unit directs and coordinate most of the operation and instruction in the computer. I know the RAM is called the primary memory, main memory. I know that the speed of computer is measured in gigahertz, megahertz. I know that the disk drive are used for holding data, instruction and information for future use. I know that power supply is used to convert AC power into DC. Here are exercises. Dash protects the internal electronic components from damaged system unit. Dash is known as the brain of computer, CPU. CU and ALU are parts of CPU. Speed of CPU is measured in megahertz, gigahertz, both. Dash is used to store data for future use. Hard disk. Here is the chapter. CD-ROM, DVD disk drive. CD-ROM, DVD disk drive read information is stored or compact disc is called CDs or DVDs. Blu-ray disk drive. Blu-ray disk drive reads information storage or compact disc. DVDs or Blu-rays device. Here is the devices picture. 1 minute. This one, look. This is a CD-ROM, Blu-ray disk drive. Here is disk drive, CD-ROM, DVD disc. Here you know CD, and this is computer hard disk drive inside the computer. Power supply. Many a time computers are plugged into a standard wall outlet which supply or alternative current AC. This type of power is suitable for use with a computer because it requires a direct current DC. The power supply convert the wall outlet AC power into DC power. Ports. Here is the ports. I want to show to you. Here is the ports. Look here. What is port? First we read. On a typical desktop computer, the back of the system unit contains a number of holes and slots called ports into which you plug in computer devices. These here is the all things: keyboard hole port, USB port here, monitor port here, network port here, speaker port, microphone port, modem port, game port, parallel port, mouse port, power port. Update your knowledge. In 1980, Seagate Technology created the first hard disk drive for microcomputer, the ST506. It stored up to 5 megabytes after formatting. Do you know? In 1979, Philips launched Compact Disc. First ever album on a CD released by the Sony was Billy Joel's 52nd Street. This is our question answer. What is system unit? System unit is a box-like case that stands near the monitor. System unit is a box-like case that stands near the monitor. Next is, what is motherboard? Motherboard is a large circuit board inside the system unit. Name the two parts of CPU: control unit, arithmetical and logical unit. What is the function of CPU? The function of CPU is the control the functions performed by the other components of computer. What is the use of port? The uses of ports are the plug in computer device. Next is fill in the blanks. CPU is also known processor or microprocessor. System unit is fill in the blanks. So I am reading all the answer with a sentence. System unit is the box-like case which stand near the monitor. The CU parts of CPU directs and coordinate the operation and instruction in the computer. RAM is called primary memory. The power supply changes AC into DC. Write the full form of computer. CPU, central processing unit. CU, control unit. ALU, arithmetical and logical unit. RAM, random access memory. MHz, megahertz. It is crossword puzzle. Slot at the back of system unit. Number 2 is number 1. Look here, codes. Here is microprocessor, logical operation, control unit, gigahertz, RAM. Okay, bye children. for your reminder, again I want to show you this one. This is system unit, motherboard. This is motherboard. This is function of CPU. This is function of CPU, and this is the part of CPU. This is the part of CPU. This is the speed of CPU. It is count megahertz and gigahertz. This is RAM. This is RAM. And this is disk drive. This is disk drive. Hard disk drive. CD-ROM. DVD. Blu-ray disc. Okay. And this is the port. This is the port. First it look like this. This port, and how it is divided into ports. Okay, bye.